I mean, motorsport is where you train everything, test everything you are going to see in road cars. I mean, everything that is interesting for the future and already and right now is being testing and being in racing and in tracks nowadays in all the championships, endurance, Formula One, Formula E, also rallies, and all the technology that you are developing for a race car that you test it to the extreme, go then to the road cars, and then we can use it on our cars and see and feel absolutely good, safe, and have the best develop of the item that has been tested in a track and then we use. So mainly is to use it in a track and then use it in a road. Championship like a Formula One that they are developing e-fuels using the best technology, try to use less CO2, or championship like Formula E that they are using full electric cars are the perfect championship to test everything and to know how the car works and how we are going to get the maximum of them then to use it in a regular highway. I mean, if you see how a Formula E is trying to recharge and take the best energy of the use in a lap, then we can use the same technology in our road cars. When we are braking, we are going closer to a light, trying to use the same way of drive. Lift it up, our throttle, and then use the brake to get the most efficiency and the maximum of the energy that the cars and the battery are giving back to us. So this one is using in the Formula E, and another technology are using in Formula E, and we are getting this one to our road cars. I mean, electric are the futures of our road cars, and everything is changing, and the future is changing, and we are lucky enough to live it right now. I mean, something like a Formula E that are using full electric cars, we are watching and we are seeing that you can do a full long race pace with one battery. I mean, we are so worried how to use the autonomy of a car. We have 400 kilometers of autonomy in our road car, but how to use it, the way you drive also matters. How the autonomy of the cars give us this length back to us. Maybe you have 400, but if you drive like a so harsh, you're gonna be able to use like 300. If you use it like you are watching the same race, like lifting up, braking, when you have to brake and use it the best of this technology, you are going to get the maximum of the battery and the best of the autonomy. You see it on motorsport, and then we use and we apply it in our road cars. That's the way to apply the technology from motorsport to our road cars. eMobility has the chance, and they are doing, and you're doing, giving us all the technology and all the environments and all the manufacturers and all the people who are involved in this sector is bringing to us, showing how we're working, how developing, and how we're trying to connect all the factors and all the items, all the dots in this sector. I mean, we are connecting the charger, the people, the cars, the situation out of the street, and we are able to realize what's going on, the reality of the future, and we can see it in eMobility right here, right now. If we understand what's happening right now in this sector, we're gonna be able to use it the best way to develop a better future. So come here and try to understand how it works, and let's work us together.